Good morning, students. Let's continue our chapter. Yesterday, we have covered the topic features of democracy. Today, we are going to start with the new topic on page number 31, that is why democracy. So, let's start the topic. An argument broke out in the Madame Lingaud's class. She had finished teaching the previous section on what is democracy, asked the students if they thought democracy was the best form of the government. Everyone had something to say. So now debating merits of democracy. What are the merits of democracy? So this is a conversation given here. Just read it. Yalonda. We live in a democratic country. We read in the last chapter that all over the world people want democracy. Countries that were not democratic earlier are becoming democratic now. All great people have said nice things about democracy. Isn't obvious that democracy is the best? Do we need to debate these? Means why democracy means why to debate on this topic that democracy is best? All countries are trying to do all the countries are trying to get their countries democracy, so why there is a need? Obviously it means that it is best the countries are trying. Then the next student say, but Linda madam had said we should not accept something just because it is famous, just because everyone else accepts. Isn't possible that everyone following a wrong path? Yes, this is a good concept he's talking about. Like he said, what he asked, that everybody is okay, that everybody is getting to for everybody is trying to get democracy in the country or their democratic country, but it doesn't mean that it is good for everyone or it is good. Maybe everyone is following the wrong path. So next Jenny asks, yes, it is actually a wrong path. What has democracy brought to our country? More than half a century of democracy, and there is so much poverty in our country. Means if the democracy is there, are we still getting benefit from the democracy? So Ribang, what has democracy got to do with it? Do we have poverty because we are democratic, or do we have poverty despite being a democracy? Jenny, whatever, how does it make a difference? The point is that this cannot be the best form of government. Democracy is all about chores, instability, corruption, and hypocrisy. Politicians fight amongst themselves. Who cares for the country? Poemon. So, what should we have instead? Go back to the British rule. Invite some kings to rule this country. Look, if democracy is not good, then what should we do? We should go for the British rule as we were having in the past, or we have to call some king that you just rule on the country. What would be the best option? So Rose says, I don't know. I think what this country needs is a strong leader, someone who doesn't have bother about elections and parliament. One leader should have all the powers. He should be able to do whatever is needed in country's interest. That alone can remove corruption, poverty from this country. Now someone shouted, this is called dictatorship. If only one person have all this power, then it would be called dictatorship. Then what if that person start using all these powers for himself and his family? What if he is corrupt himself? So Rosa, I am speaking only of the honest, sincere and strong leader. Hoy, but that is not fair. You are comparing a real democracy with an ideal dictatorship. We should compare an ideal with an ideal, the real with the real. Go and check the record of the dictators in the real life. They are most corrupt, selfish, and brutal. So it is just that we don't go to know, get to know about this, and what is worse, you can even get rid of them. So now madam was listening to all this discussion with interest, that how students were taking interest in the this type of conversation, how they were asking the question. So now she stepped in and she said that I was delighted to see you all arguing so passionately. I don't know who is right and who is wrong. This is for you to settle, but I did feel that all you wanted to speak your mind. You may have felt very bad if someone tried to stop you, or if someone punished you for saying what you felt. So, would you be able to do that in a country that is not democratic? Is it a good argument for democracy? Look, now a feature of democracy is that all persons have the freedom to speak. So this is a good thing. If they are speaking, it means you are free to it means you are free to give your opinion, and it is only in the democracy. So we can say the democracy is the good form. So argument against democracy, what are that? So this we will do later. Only this much is enough for today. If you want to read, you can read this page also and cover the previous page. This topic we will start tomorrow.